Ayan, okay guys, tuloy tayo. Okay naman. Okay naman ang battery ng aking phone. Okay din ang memory, ang battery ng PSP okay din. So another 30 minutes tayo guys. So continuation nung laro natin, no. So pinost ko lang yan, no? Kung mapapansin nyo 328, so mula kanina lang yan. Okay, continue. So time check March 15, 328. Continuation ng games kanina. Okay, larga. Aray! Aray! Ginagawa na ako. So hindi pwede yung ganyung style sa kanya, no? Kasi mataas yung tira ng Giant. Kaya rin ako dito. So pag may Giant, medyo lugi sa ano, sa gauntlet kasi pag bagsak ko, nasasalo ko yung sipa at saka yung kanyang atake. Tingnan naman. Oh, so yung kailangan kong salagin yung ibon, no? May time na hindi na ano yung ibon, eh. Hindi na sasalag yung ibon. Sasalag. Ano, di ba dapat? Hindi, meron pa pala siya. Ano, 10 ka lang ba? Dalawa kasi eh. Ito, isa lang. Ay. Napailig sa'yo. Aray! Ano? 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 Daya. Mhm. 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 Ba? Daya nun ah. Ay! Sakto naman yung ano. Mhm. Ano? No, meron pa. Labas! Labas! Wala na yata. Gusto na. Ay! Hampas ako gagi. Ano? Nahuli na naman. Dapat kasi paside yun. Hulong ng Kratos eh. Tinuturuan kita eh. Ay! Huli na naman gago. Ah! Tignan natin. Ano nga gawin. Mong! Baka gusto mo nabuksan yan. Very good. Taas naman ito. Ubag baboy. Ibon ba? Uy, may mga medusa oh. Pal ng mukha oh. May mga medusa. Happy New Year! Bombs away! Happy New Year! Ano? Wala pala kayo eh. Ay, meron pa pala. Dapat din muna ako ng green. Yun o. Diba? Atras, atras. Atras. Atras, atras. Atras. Ano, wala na? Come on. Saan kaya yun? Dito ako galing yun, no? Sa gitna yun. Hindi, tama. Okay, wala na. Walang daan eh. Oh! Akala ko hindi doon ang daan. That's the point. Battery check lang tayo guys. Pause ko muna. Okay, 1 bar na lang. Kasi nga 57% yata ang aking game time kanina. 57% yata nung mag-start ako mag-games. So 1 hour na guys. Mag 1 hour. Or 40 minutes pala, sorry. 30 minutes plus, tama, 43 minutes na tayo naglalaro, may 1 bar pa. So, tignan natin kung saan naabutin niya. Sana umabot siya ng 30 minutes, no? Kasi 13 minutes pa lang ako. Ayun, 13 minutes. So, meron pa akong at least 15, 17 minutes. Mukhang ito na si yung babae, malapit na matapos to guys. Matapos natin ang Chain of Olympus, malapit na.
My daughter, witch. Choose your words carefully, ghost of Sparta. You address the goddess of the underworld. Your daughter is well. She lives among the pure souls of the Elysian fields. Lead me to her. Have you forgotten, Kratos? The Olympians need you. They slumber at the hand of Morpheus. I have faithfully served the gods. Yet they do not give me what I ask. I grow weary of their demands. The gods on Olympus failed me too, Kratos. I was betrayed by Zeus and tricked by my husband Hades. Now I am to stay in the underworld as queen of the dead, to serve the fallen, care for them as my own children. Persephone, I demand to see my daughter. As you wish. If Calliope is your true desire, I can help you. But be warned, Ghost of Sparta. The world of man will suffer because of your choice. I care little for the world and its suffering. Where is she? If you want to see your daughter again, you must become worthy of Elysium. Cast your weapons at the Forsaken Tree, and let it release the evils of your past. Only then will you be free of your sins and be granted passage to divine gates.
Nangyari. So bilis. Yeah.
You have done well, Kratos. Walk through the portal and find the one.
Calliope,
Father?
my child,
Why did you go?
I am here now, child, and I will not leave you again.
I have watched over you pathetic mortals for 1,000 years, and it is always the same. Serving yourself before the needs of others has always been your flaw. But no matter. For now you serve my purpose. It is time for all that came before to end. The Titan will fulfill his role and finish what I have started. I released Atlas.
You,
As you were pathetically disarming yourself, Atlas completed the task I set him out to do. With the power of the sun in his hands, it is only a matter of time before he destroys the pillar that holds the world. And Olympus with it.
but why?
Do you think it was my choice to wed a man I did not love? Live a life I did not choose? I was betrayed by the very gods that once saw me as their own, but no more. Once the pillar is destroyed, the world will revert into chaos.
Then what is to become of you?
I will have my peace and be free from this miserable existence. I will perish, but it is my choice.
Father? What's happening? I'm scared.
In your selfish choice to be with your daughter, you have caused her ruin.
No,
Elysium falls too, Kratos. She will perish.
no! I will not let the gods take her from me!
Father!
The choice was clear to him, yet impossible to make. To stay with his daughter meant the end of the world and the end of her. To stop Persephone and Atlas would mean forsaking his
Persephone.
forever.
Astig yung
But his
pangalan, eh, no?
hatred and anger for the gods
Persephone.
were ever strong. There was but one thing to do.
So what would you want me to do? Circle, just press circle. Just press circle.
Father! Father, no!
May pusa pala eh. Oh, yari kay sa akin. Ay, ay. Nga! Ubusin natin lahat ng mga white ano na to, spirits na to. Nagiging na tayo. Incubus.
Realized that what he gained in humanity, he lost in power.
Soul Rapist.
Would need to become the monster he once was if he was to defeat Persephone.
Tago-taguan, maliwanag ang buwan. Tataya-taya. Wala akong pakialam sa mga crypts. Mahabol ko ay ang mga white spirits tumatakbong nagtataya-tayaan.
He would need to become the ghost of Sparta once again if he was to save his child.
Meron ba? Meron pa yan. Ayun o. Meron dito sa amin na takbo. Ayun ako. Ayun ako.
To sacrifice his life with her so that she may live.
No! Father, no!
At that moment, Kratos knew that his destiny was not with Calliope. The fates were never that kind.
Ano, wala na ba? Makukulit talaga kayo ha. Kanya ko ito view ha. Mhm. 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 Paslo pa kayo ha. Asan na yan? Asan na yung nakaputi? Meron pa bang may bibigay ito? So wala na. Pass lang. Ano ka na? Save point. At putik. Tagang-tagang pa. Aray! Ayan. Tambay na archer. Wala ka pala eh. Tipid ko lang pala eh. Baliktad. Baliktad. Yan. Ba meron pa? Karin, balik ka? Ha? Balik ka? Balik ka? Balik ka? Balik ka? Ow! Ow! Tambay na archer. Standby archer. Maraming kwenta ng mga na ito. Ilang hits lang. Mana ka pa ha. Saka pa. Saka pa. Oh, patambay lang. Kawawa naman. Pagod na yata. Napagod yung archer na yun. Pinagtatrabaho niya pa. Nakatambay na lang siya. Wala na siyang ginagawa eh.
Spartan, witness the end.
Last game na nga ito guys. Maabot na ako dito. Last na to. Pag natatalo ko to tapos itong game. Kaya lang 24 minutes na so hindi na-abutin siguro to. Anyway, try ko lang kung kakayanin. Pero 6 minutes, hindi ko. I don't think so kung aabutin tayo ng 30 minutes, ng 6 minutes sa game so matatapos natin siya agad. So good luck. So naglalabas siya ng bato. Tandaan natin yung mga ginagawa niya. Naghahagi siya ng bato. Naglalabas ng bato. Malakas to. Ito na yung last eh. Last ball na to guys. Kasi pa niya pala yung huli niyang natin. So hindi nasasalad. Ayun o. Salad naman. Hindi nasasalad. Ganda ya. Isang HP ko. So ayun. Patay. So yun guys, no, babalikan natin si, last game na yata to, quit na tayo, quit. Kasi, 1 bar na lang tayo eh. 1 bar na lang, at the same time, 26 minutes na yung video ko sa bibitin lang. So mamaya, charge ko lang tong PSP. So recharge ko lang. I-full bar ko na, recharge ko lang. Mabilis naman mag-charge to. Pag naka-off yung PSP, mabilis mag-charge. And then, tuloy natin, no? Tapos, tapusin na natin yung game mamaya. Charge ko lang yung PSP, and then, yun. Mag-start tayo ulit ng another 30 minutes sa video file size ko, no? So, stay tuned guys sa aking gameplay testing. Dito pa rin, nasa ano ko. Sa aking PSP Ceramic White. PSP Fat. Yun ang kanyang common name. PSP Fat or PSP 1000. Yan. Okay, stay tuned guys, no? Tuloy natin later. Charge ko lang yung PSP 1 bar na. Silipin nga natin yung battery status sa settings. Para mas accurate kasi yung 1 bar na yan, estimate na lang yan eh. So 15% na lang. Okay? So isipin nyo na lang guys, nag-start ako kanina, no? Halos naka 1 hour na ako. No? Maganda talaga yung battery guys. Swap yung battery. Sulit na sulit. Okay? Okay guys, so see you later na lang ulit. Charge ko lang PSP, then tuloy natin ang gaming. Okay.